morning students. In previous class what we learnt about integers. Okay, what are the integers, how to represent the integers on number line, and how to addition and subtract the integers. Okay, these are all the topics we are learnt in previous class. Okay, in this class we shall learn about multiplication of integers. Okay, before we go into the multiplication of integers, we should learn the multiplication of sign. Okay, how to multiply the sign. Okay, let's see. When we are multiplying the two positive sign, okay, which means plus 2 plus into plus. Okay, when we are multiplying the two positive sign, that is plus into plus, always we get positive, it means plus. Okay, when we are multiplying the two positive sign, we get always positive. Okay, if suppose when you are multiplying the two negative sign, which means minus into minus, okay, minus into minus, when we are multiplying the two negative sign, then also we get a positive. Okay, plus into plus is plus, and minus into minus is plus. Okay, now when we are multiplying the opposite sign, which means one is plus, another one is minus. Okay, plus into minus, always we get negative. Okay, or either one is negative, another one is positive, which means one is minus, another one is plus. Here also same, we get minus. In this case also we get a minus. Okay, when we are multiplying the opposite sign, which means one is plus, either minus. Okay, or one is minus, another one is plus. In the both the case we get the negative or minus. Okay, here, yeah, once again listen here. Yeah, when we are multiplying the same sign or two positive sign, we get positive, which means plus into plus is plus. Okay, when we are multiplying the two negative sign, which means minus into minus equals plus. Okay, when we are multiplying the opposite sign, which means plus into minus or minus into plus, in the both the case we get the minus. Okay, in the both the case we get minus. Okay, this is the multiplication of sign. Okay, thus we multiply the sign. Okay, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Okay, now we move on to the multiplication of integers. Okay, now we move on to multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integers. Okay, how to multiply the integers. Okay, let's see. If the two integers having the same sign, okay, then how do you multiply? For example, the first one is we have to multiply plus 4 and plus 5. Okay, now we have to multiply the plus 4 and plus 5, which means 4 into 5. Okay, plus 4 into plus 5. Okay, how much we have to multiply the first sign? At first we have to multiply the sign. We know that how to multiply the sign. Here, the two integers having positive sign. Okay, here that two, when we are multiplying the two positive sign, always we get positive. Okay, we know already, we know that the plus into plus is plus. Okay, here both the integers having plus sign, so plus into plus is plus. Now 5 fours are how much? 20. Okay, 5 fours are 20. Okay, thus we multiply the integers. Okay, if for example, if two integers having the negative sign, then how do you multiply? Let's see. Okay, multiply minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, now we have to multiply the minus 4 and minus 5, which means minus 4 into minus 5. Okay, at first we have to multiply the sign. We know that at first we have to multiply the sign. Here minus into minus. Okay, already we know that I've already learned minus into minus is plus. Okay, when we are multiplying the two negative sign, we get positive. Okay, minus into minus is plus. Now again 5 fours are how much? 20. Okay, we get a plus 20 is the answer. When we are multiplying, by observing this, when we are multiplying the same, when multiplying the integers having same sign, always we get positive. Next, if two integers having a opposite sign, okay, now one is positive, another one is negative, then how to multiply? Okay, next problem, multiply plus 4 and minus 5. Okay, here now we have one is positive, another one is negative. Now we have to multiply the two opposite sign integers. Okay, it means my plus 4. Okay, plus 4 into minus 5. Okay, at first we have to multiply the sign. We know that plus into minus is minus. Okay, we already learned when we are multiplying the opposite sign, always we get negative. Okay, plus into minus is minus. 5 4s are 20, we get minus 20 is the answer. When we are multiplying the integers having the opposite sign, then always we get negative. Okay, here when we are multiplying the integers having a same sign, either plus or minus, always we get positive. Okay, if suppose the one is negative, another one is positive, then how do you multiply? Let's see the fourth one. Multiply minus 4 and plus 5. Okay, now here we have to multiply the minus 4 and plus 5. Here it means minus 4 into plus 5. Okay, here at first we have to multiply the sign. Okay, here minus into plus is minus. 5 4s are 20. Okay, thus we multiply the integers. Okay, before going to multiply the integers, we have to multiply the sign. Okay, so once again the plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, here in the both the case when we are multiplying the same sign, okay, plus to plus and minus minus, like this, when we are multiplying the same sign, always we get positive. Okay, always we get positive. Okay, when you are multiplying the opposite sign, okay, one is plus, another one is minus, one is minus, another one is plus. Okay, in this again, in this case always we get negative. Okay, you always remember this. Okay, next we move on to the division of integers. Move on to the division of integers. Okay, before we go into the division of integers, we should learn about division of sign. Okay, how to divide the sign. Okay, if here also same, when you are dividing the same sign or plus divided by plus, okay, always we get plus. Okay, when we are dividing the same sign, always we get positive. It means minus divided by minus. Okay, here always we get a plus. Okay, here also plus. In the both the case we get positive. Okay, when you are dividing the same sign, okay, plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by minus is plus. Okay, now when we are dividing the opposite sign, okay, it means one is plus divided by another one is negative. Okay, in this case we get negative, minus. Okay, next one is negative, another one is plus. Minus divided by plus, always we get negative. Okay, here also same, in the both the case always we get negative, in the both the case we get always positive. Okay, this is the division of sign. Okay, we can write it as, okay, here also we can able to write here also. Okay, plus divided by plus. Okay, always we get plus. Okay, minus divided by minus, always we get here also plus. Okay, if when we are dividing plus divided by minus, always we get negative. Okay, minus divided by plus, always we get negative. Okay, thus we divide the sign. Okay, this is the division of sign. Okay, once again, when you are dividing the same sign, either plus or minus, always we get positive. It means plus. Okay, when we are dividing the opposite sign, which means one is plus, another one is minus, or one is minus, another one is plus, in the both the case we get negative. Okay, let's see one example how to divide the integers having the same sign and opposite sign. Okay, the first one is divide. Yeah, let's see, divide plus 4 and plus 2. Okay, here is a problem, that is divide plus 4 and plus 2. It means we have to divide the plus 4 by plus 2. Okay, we know that a division of, yeah, we know that a division of sign. Okay, plus divided by plus. Okay, plus divided by plus, always we get plus. Okay, so when we are dividing the same sign, okay, the integers having the same sign, always we get the what, positive. Okay, now we have to cancel, divide the 4 from 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are, we get 2 is the answer. Okay, plus 2 is the answer. When we are dividing the two positive integers, always we get positive. Okay, if suppose the both the integers having the negative sign, then how do you divide? Okay, let's see. divide -4 and -2. Okay, here now we have to divide the -4 divided by -2. Okay, divide the -4 from -2. Okay, here also same, before you go into the division of integers, at first we have to divide the sign. Okay, minus divided by minus. Okay, minus minus get cancelled, which means positive. Okay, when you are dividing the same sign, either plus or minus, always we get positive. Okay, minus divided by minus is plus. Here also same, 2 ones are 2, 2s are, we get 2 is the answer. Okay, plus 2. Okay, by observing here these two examples, okay, when we are dividing the integers having same sign, okay, here also same. Okay, plus plus, here minus minus. Okay, when we are dividing the integers having the same sign, always we get positive. Okay, if suppose the integers having a opposite sign, then how do you divide? Okay, let's see. Divide +4 and -2. Okay, here one is plus 4 divided by -2. Okay, then how do you divide? Okay, first plus divided by minus, how much? Okay, how to divide the sign? Plus divided by minus is always we get minus. Okay, we already learned in the beginning, that is plus divided by minus is equal to minus. Okay, here 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 divides 4 how many times? 2 times, so we get -2 is the answer. Okay, thus we divide the integers. Okay, now next if suppose one is negative, another one is positive, then how do you divide? Let's see. Okay, -4 and +2. Okay, now here we have to divide -4 from +2. Okay, here also same. Here one the integers having the opposite sign. Okay, when we are dividing the opposite sign, always we get negative. Minus divided by plus is minus. Here 2 divides 4 how many times? 2 times. Okay, again we get -2. Okay, by observing these two examples, when we are dividing the two integers having a opposite sign, okay, here plus sign, here minus sign, here minus sign, here plus sign, it means opposite sign. When we are dividing the integers having the opposite sign, always we get negative. Okay, thus we divide the integers. Okay, students, in this class we learnt about multiplication of integers and division of integers. Okay, in next class we will continue the chapter. Thank you.